everyone, welcome to Gadgets of Infinity. Today I'm going to make a quick review of the Yoobao H3 30,000 mAh headlamp power bank. This is the only brand that we offer to our customers because they make very durable and high performance power banks. I have here some of our personal used power banks. This is PT10 or P10T model. It's a 10,000 mAh power bank. We've been using this for 2 years now. This M4 Plus 4-port 10,000 mAh power bank, we've been using this for 3 years now. And the A2 Slim 20,000 mAh power bank dual port, we've been using this for 4 years now. And when I say durable, you should be able to use your power banks for years, and that's what Yoobao will give you. And now I'm going to introduce to you a new model that you will surely love, the Yoobao H3 30,000 mAh. This power bank has a 30,000 mAh capacity. You can full charge your smartphones for up to 10 times or more, depends on the battery capacity of your phone. It supports all kinds and all brands of mobile phones, tablets, and even your smartwatch can be charged here. It has dual output ports that you can charge 2 devices simultaneously at 5 volts and 2.1 amperes. It has torch or headlamp of 1.6 watts that you may use in case of power failure. Just press and hold the power button for 3 seconds to enable this. Here. On the other side, you'll see here the Type-C input port. Here. This is where you'll charge the power bank using the provided USB-A to USB-C cable. Since the package does not include that adapter, you either use your phone's adapter or you buy it separately. And when you press the power button, you'll see here the 4-dot LED indicator. Each dot indicates a 25% charge of the power bank. If you see 3 ports or 3 dots, means the power bank's charge is between 51 to 75%. If you see that only 1 dot is lit, I suggest you to charge the power bank. Do not or never drain the power of the battery of your power bank because the device might not work the next time you power it on. You have 3 options for the color. Option for green, black, and white. My favorite color is the color green. It's about this big and a bit heavy because it's 650 grams. Well, this is expected since the capacity is at 30,000 mAh. The last thing that I want to share with you is this. All of the Yoobao products have this hologram sticker. This is where you validate the authenticity of the Yoobao brands or the Yoobao products that you are buying online. Just have to scratch this and then register the 20-digit in Yoobao website. So that's about it, guys. I hope you like this review, and if you want to know where you can buy this, just visit our store. It's Infinity Gadgets. Follow our Facebook page at www.facebook.com/infinitygadgetsph. You may also avail this in our Lazada and Shopee Store. I'll provide the links at the description portion of this video. Take note that this is for Philippine customers only. I hope I was able to share to you another cool product, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, now is the right time. Just hit the subscribe button and click the notification bell to see my latest video uploads about gadgets unboxing, reviews, product recommendations, and authenticity check for memory cards and inks. Thank you all so much for watching. I appreciate your time. Stay safe and you all have a wonderful day. Bye.